Procedure. Perform the experiment as follows. Draw a straight line on the smooth floor. Measure a 6-meter long section on this line. Mark the two ends of the 6-meter long straight line. Let the student S1 hold the slinky at the end A and the student S2 hold the slinky at the end B. Place one wooden block at the end A and parallel to the end of the slinky. This wooden block acts as the stopper. Let the student S1 pull the slinky to position A about 10 cm from the end A. The student then gives it a quick push towards A in such a way that the hand of S1 stops at A. Observe the slinky. A pulse produced in the slinky travels towards the end B. It then gets reflected from the end B and starts traveling towards the end A and so on. Practice it a number of times so that you can generate a pulse and see it moving forward and backward. Now perform the actual experiment. Student S2 should hold a stopwatch in his hand. Ask student S1 to generate a pulse and student S2 to watch the pulse travel. Record the observations. Observations and calculations. Distance between points A and B. Total distance traveled by the pulse from B to A and back. Time taken. Velocity of the pulse. Mean velocity is equal to meter per second. Notes: this experiment needs at least 2 students. This experiment needs about 6 to 7 meter space in length with a smooth surface. You may perform this experiment in the corridor in front of your laboratory. Result: in this experiment, mean velocity of pulse is equal to meter per second. Precautions: do not stretch the slinky too much. The floor or the surface on which the experiment is done should be smooth and even.